In this video, I'll be unboxing the PSoC6 Wi-Fi Bluetooth kit from Cypress. This will be a series of videos where I'll be road testing and reviewing, and also I'll be doing a project using this kit. Thank you Element 48 community and Cypress for providing me this opportunity. I'll be also comparing this Wi-Fi Bluetooth variant with this Bluetooth Low Energy variant. One of the major differences to quote would be this as an e-ink display shield, and this is Bluetooth Low Energy, and this is a TFT touch shield, and this can communicate to the internet through Wi-Fi, and it also has a Bluetooth. So now let's get to the business. Let's unbox this kit and keep this away. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Sylvan and I make videos on electronic projects, RoadTest reviews, DIY and more. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video.
Without any further ado, we'll hop on to unbox this package. But I can't skip without speaking about how beautifully and purposefully Cypress has designed this package. It is strong, it is powerful, it is compactly packed, which means you can transport this without damaging much of the contents inside. Plus on the back you have links for additional resources, support, QR codes which lead you to the links, and contact and revision details. Let us now open the box. You need to peel the sticker at the bottom, which is a caution message for electrostatic sensitivity, to open the box. The box opens and closes using magnets attached on the flap edges, which makes the process easy. Once you open the box, you literally have the feeling of unboxing one of the premium phones out in the market. There is sponge attached to the lid to prevent the contents from moving once it's closed. And inside you have a quick start guide, 4 jumper wires and 2 proximity sensor wires inside this plastic enclosure. Here we have the USB Type A to Type C cable, which is of good quality and length. And at last we have the PSoC6 Wi-Fi Bluetooth Pioneer board with TFT display shield. Once everything has been removed, you can see the sponge inside, which is exactly cut in order to hold the contents safely. And you can leave them there without worry of damage.
We have taken all the contents outside and now it's time for the out-of-the-box demo that comes preloaded with the board. This comes handy and useful at times when you need to check whether or not your board is working right out of the box before installing the required softwares and proceeding further. Now let's power up the board using the USB Type-C cable powered through either a power bank or your computer's USB port. Once it has been turned on, you will have on-screen instructions for this out-of-the-box demo. This is one good thing about Cypress, where they have lots and lots of documentation to help developers get started without any hassle. If you have a tablet or a phone, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the wicket config Wi-Fi network using the password displayed on the TFT screen. Once this has been successfully done, open a web browser and go to the address 192.168.0.1. If you are able to successfully connect to this, you will have a page where you can set up your home Wi-Fi. Click the Wi-Fi setup button and connect to your home Wi-Fi. After this, your kit connects to the home network and starts an HTTP server and synchronizes with a time server. This takes around 2 minutes of your time to complete. You can follow along by reading the on-screen progress. Once this is completed successfully, you will have the screen where you will have the value of the PWM duty cycle and light sensor voltage, like this. You can vary the duty cycle by sliding your finger over the capacitive touch slider or by pressing the capacitive buttons, one for decreasing and another for increasing. I'm not sure if you can see the dim. Let me show you the change in the light sensor voltage by placing my finger over the light sensor. You can see an almost instant response on the screen. Let me again try to show you the dim. I'm not sure if it's visible. Let's now control the kit from the browser. Go to the address displayed on the TFT touch screen and you will have the values displayed on your browser. And this communication is now happening through the Wi-Fi. You can increase or decrease the PWM duty cycle using the on-screen buttons, and if you place your finger over the light sensor voltage, you will have the voltage variations displayed almost instantly on the browser. You can also slide your finger over the capacitive touch slider and you will have the same variations displayed on the screen, and you can again increase or decrease it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned.